Hey, g'day my friends, how are you? I've started putting this kit together by Dragon, and what a kit it is. Really nice. This is the upgraded version, so it's got the new magic tracks, and it's got this little duckbill sort of thing included as well. It's a 3D printed piece, which would be cool. I'll add them on, definitely. Some pretty cool decals here too. Choose the Zemster. But I've got a fair bit of cracking on it. Now this is the chassis here, and those bogies there were really well constructed. They were very easy to put together, but they're very effective. And then we've got the rear plate here. And with this kit there's like an easy mode and a hard mode, so you can really easily put this together. All the plastic parts are included and you don't even really need to do any photo etch. And then there's a hard mode. They've included this really awesome photo etch kit, and you can see here you make your own front fenders here out of photo etch instead of the plastic. And here's the magic tracks here. I've got them glued together so they'll just be a hard straight section of it. Really easy to put together, but they don't stick together at all, so they sit together very loosely. You're gonna have to glue them together and work it that way. And also got the front wheels here, drive sprockets. And this has got a lot of photo etch on it, so you can, instead of doing these things here in photo etch, they've got all the plastic parts. But it says to put the fenders on at this point, but I wouldn't do that, because if you join it up, if you join it together, you'll see that this part actually joins to the bottom part there, so this little thing goes down, so you want to have that sort of like lining up together. And also it lines up with some side photo etch that goes all the way along the top, so you don't want to put these on at this point. You want to wait and probably do it at the end, although it says to do it at that point. Oops, nearly tripped over myself. So the instructions I think are wrong, like how they've decided to do the order. And you see there, it's put these fenders on at this early stage, but I wouldn't do that until this final stage here. It's a really cool tank, and you get a couple of different little ones. You've got the Zemster one, and that's that third squad of the, whatever that word is, Lancers. Then you've got another one from that regiment, the Zadleo, whatever, and then you've got the Coldstream Guards. Really nice kit to build. Really having a good time with it. Nice day. Looks like the sun's back again in Melbourne, which is good. I'll show you how the Stug's coming along as well. But this is really cool. So even these things are movable. You can have movable suspension. The wheels work. It's all really good. I don't think you need the suspension movable, but it is. I really like all the challenge of this photo etch, you know, making these bends and all that kind of stuff. Haven't done a great job, but you don't want it perfect. We're not looking all smashed up and damaged. But the texture on it's really good too. So yeah, looking forward to see how that comes up. But this one, so really so what I do is, first of all, with the paint job, we do the lacquer spray painting. Then I like to come along with the paintbrush and with just my normal acrylic paints. I like to start off by priming the colours I'm going to change to black, and then we'll start to, you know, build up the colours there. And then once I've done all that work, so the brush work with the acrylic paints, then we can really start to weather it up with the oils. Starting to look really cool, isn't it? Got the decals on for the 270th Stug Battalion. It's got like this little crocodile. I reckon it looks cool. And this would be its Kharkov fighting machine. Alright my friends, I'll speak to you again very soon.